Ceri Cynnington o Antirstiniog ar ran Mynyddoedd Pawb. Da ni yma yn y Senedd heddiw yn cyflwyno Deiseb. Dwi'n bersonol yma ar rhan Antirstiniog, ond hefyd ar ran da ni'n trio datblygu economi newydd wedi sefyll ar twristiaeth. Mae yna beryg wrth i ni wneud hynna bod ni'n anghofio yn hunaniaeth a hefyd ein treftadaeth. A mae o mor bwysig bod ni'n adfer hen enwau. There is no such thing as a nameless cwm. There is a name to it. Cwm Cneifion. And if you knew the name, then it would bring more worth to you when you go for a walk up there and to whoever you're taking with you for a walk up there. Mae jyst mor bwysig. Cael hyder yn yn iaith, yn yn cymunedau, yn yn treftadaeth wrth datblygu y twristiaeth yma. Ond hefyd wrth hyfforddi a dysgu yn plant y cenedlaeth newydd.
Right, well my name is Tom Elias and I represent Mynyddoedd Pawb, which are presenting this petition to the Welsh Government on the protection and the preservation of the place names of Wales, especially mountain features and landscape features and so on, not town names and such. But anyway, this is what this is all about, and it's to do with recognition for the value, the cultural heritage value of place names. You know, because there's such a lot of information in these, and I used to lead quite a number of people out in the countryside and telling them about the cultural heritage. And it's far more interesting to give that added value to people about the countryside by being able to refer to, you know, the meaning of the place names and so on, rather than just, you know, up to the top and there's the view of the day and back down again. So one gives that added value to things. And also there are other aspects, like for example, the need to protect Welsh place names. Old buildings which are in the care of Cadw and such like that. The architecture and the archaeology is protected, but the names are not. And it's a shame somehow that the names are not protected in the same way as the buildings themselves. So there's a lot to do to actually protect and also to share the value, the cultural value of place names through education and to add to not only the awareness of communities themselves, but the visitors into our area to get some far more out of their experience than merely just the pretty views.